Hey guys, it's me, Ivy. Sorry, I've been busy, decorating, helping mom get some stuff out of storage by section, so it's not house is not blown Christmas up. Slowly decorating downstairs and all that stuff. Just enjoying my Thanksgiving weekend and finally relax on Sunday because we've been busy doing stuff and yeah. Anyways, I hope you had a great Thanksgiving weekend and also get those deals today on Cyber Monday. I didn't go Black Friday this year. Money is tight, so every year is hard. Especially for us. But anyways, that's not the point. Today I'm going to show you what I got in my birchbox. Yeah, let's get started. So this is the theme for, fall/winter, because, it's very cold and it's wintry. So that's that. And I got a lot of products. I have 2 bonuses. So that makes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 items this time. Like, what? I was shocked. Look at this box. This box is full. Anyways, yes, I opened because I show my mom what I get in my birchbox. So, and I want to see what color got. So, this is a cream shadow / highlighter. It's cute packaging. Oh my God. It's really hard to open when you have short nails. Sorry. So it comes in this container. Pretty color. Ooh, pretty. That would look so pretty for like holidays, New Year's. Get my card out. Let's see, that was I can find it. Really? Oh. Oh, there it is. That was $8 for full size. That's not bad for full size. Alright. Next I will do this dude over here. This guy. Like that. This is a color correcting treatment. It's PF 30. Let's see what you do. It helps with correcting redness and dark spots. It blends out and helps your skin and stuff like that. Oh wow. Oh wow, that's minty. It's very green. Oh wow. It's nice size. Let's see, that is for full size is 52. Oh god, I'm not gonna buy that. Come on, people, come on. Give me a reasonable price that I can buy. Okay, this next thing. Oh, this lighting, it was so bright. Oh gosh. What are you? Oh. Sorry, somebody texted me. This is a... Oh, no, I forgot. Let's Get Naked Frizz Fighter. It's also for your hair. It helps with frizz, ends, and all that gibberish. So that's nice. How I had gibberish in my sentences every time I say stuff. Anyways, this next product is some cream. I cannot say it in that language. This is a face cream. Moisturizes for all skin types. It like helps your skin get healthy or something like that, whatever this little thing does. But yeah. Oh, and that was my bonus. No, my thing I want. I pick an item that I want for my box, so that was the thing. Next is, I can't say this, but I know it's very popular and I've seen it like commercials and stuff. So I'm just gonna do like this. This is a night repair, kind of like a serum. You put this on at night. It helps with dullness, dryness, redness, lines. While you sleep, it after cleaning, before moisturizing, add 3 to 5 drops, face and neck. And when you wake up, your face feels soft and looks beautiful. And then you can use it AM and PM. It says on more description, and that's what that sample is. That's actually not a bad sample. That's a big size sample, so you can use it more. And then my last thing. Oh no, one more. Okay, this next thing is my bonus. So that serum thing and this is my bonus. It's a powder. Has all the good stuff. Oh, excuse me. Helps boost your health of your hair, skin, and nails. So it's like, you like take those gummies, the hair and skin thing, but this is a powder. So that's that, and this is what it is. This thing is huge. That's huge. Like, you can like use it 1 or 2 times per in water, tea, latte, and more. Oh wow, I can put that in my coffee. Oh, and it does all those benefits. So you show you there. Wow. Okay. That serum is that. Wow, I remember this. Okay, the Frizz Fighter is $20 for full size. Oh Lord Jesus. The serum is $68. I ain't not paying that much, and this is $34. That's not bad. I can actually get that. Let's see. Oh, and moisturizer for your skin is $58. Ooh, that's expensive. Okay, so I want to try that. Anyways, last thing is perfume. I was like, oh, that's the last thing. Oh no, it's hidden down below. Like, surprise, they put it there. Anyways, this is of course, a perfume. It's a Love and Lovin' perfume oil, as it says. So this is full size. Wait a minute. Wait. Okay, full size is $48. I was reading something else. Oh, wow, that's nice. So that's that. That's a nice size. I like these. I like the roll-ons, but have more perfume. So anyways, I hope you guys like my Birchbox for November. And yeah, so sorry for it took so long. I was going to do this, then busy and shopping and, not Black Friday shopping, but, other things, Yeah. Don't mind my mess. I just woke up a few minutes, hour ago or so. Anyways, I hope you guys like this video. Comment, like, and subscribe. And, oh, I'm still going to do Christmas cards. So if you want a Christmas card, let me know on my Instagram. Um, just check my haul, because that reindeer song is from my haul. So check out my Christmas haul and all that good stuff I said on there. But anyways, I'll let you guys go because this is a long video. So bye, guys.